Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vegan blueberry and lime cake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab your alternative milk, add in the vinegar and mix. Let it sit for around 5 to 10 minutes or until it's become a buttermilk alternative. Then into it you can add in the oil and mix that in until it's fully incorporated, not forgetting to add in the vanilla extract. Set aside until needed a little later on. Then into a larger mixing bowl, you'll want to add in your self-rising flour, followed by the sugar and raisin agents. Then not forgetting to add in your lime zest as well, and then mix the dry ingredients together until they are fully combined. Once you are done with the dry ingredients, you can go ahead and add in the wet ingredients and mix until the cake batter has formed. It should be smooth and glossy, or as smooth and glossy as possible, looking something like this. You don't want a trace of a single ingredient, so to prevent that, you'll want to give the bowl a good scraping down, and doing this will just help incorporate any bits that wasn't fully incorporated from earlier on. Then you can go ahead and add in the blueberries, which have been coated in some flour, but because of how liquid this mixture is, they do sink to the bottom, but it doesn't really matter. Take a 9-inch cake tin which has been lined with some parchment paper, and then pour all of the cake batter into it. Place it into your preheated oven and bake it up. I will leave all the information you need in the blog post, which you will be able to find down below, so don't forget to check it out if you are interested. So once your cake is baked and fully cooled, you can then slice it up and enjoy. It's a very moist cake, and you get the citrusiness of the lime, you get the fruitiness of the blueberry, and it all works really well in this cake. It's really good and it's really simple. So sometimes you just want something simple, you don't want something super complex, and this is what this cake offers. It's sweet, it's perfect. Look, it's just a good piece of cake. You could pour custard over if you wanted, even the vegan custard would work well. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. And I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out my description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to my social medias. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.